Okay, this video is designed to help you do research and put together a PowerPoint collage for me. So the first thing I would do if I were you is simply go in, open up a search engine. In my case, I have Google, and just type in something like biology. Okay, what is the study of biology? You may want to go even as far as put biology topics. And what you'll see is there is a lot that goes on in this. These are major concepts or topics. These are just to give you an idea of all the different things. For example, if you click right here, it says list major topics. Here's all some different things that you could be looking up and making and finding pictures for to put in there. What I suggest is you look through some various topics here. Okay. You can do it in however you want it. And what I would do is write down 10 of those different things. Okay, and there's a lot of ways to go back and do that. Okay, so just make yourself a list of 10 different things that you want to look up that you can find pictures for. Okay, remember they have to be different terms and different pictures than what I showed you in the PowerPoint. Okay, so let's talk about making a PowerPoint. Hopefully you should go and open up go into your Launchpad. Hopefully you will find PowerPoint in that. I do prefer that you use PowerPoint instead of Google Slideshow. The PowerPoint shows up for me a lot better when I'm going into grade. It's much easier on me to do that. So let's please try to use PowerPoint here. All of you should have it on your computer. And what we're going to simply do is start here with what is called a blank presentation, and then just hit create. Now, once I hit this create, this is what I'm going to get. Obviously, the first thing you had was to put in your title here. And as I said, this is biology is going to be your title. Hopefully you spell better than I do. Okay, you can move this up to the top. In your subtitle, you can simply put your name, move it towards the bottom. Okay, and then you go back into Google, you type in biology. If you'll just hit where it says images, this will give you all kinds of pictures to use. And you can pick whatever picture you want. I'm just going to choose this one. All you have to do, if you will hit your control button and hit your thing, I'm going to get out of that one. That's not the right one. I'm going to put this on here, control thing, and then I can simply hit copy image. I go back to PowerPoint. I click there, go up to the corner and say paste, and right there is my picture. And I can resize this picture however I like it. You can change your font to whatever you like, whatever you're happy with. Okay, so that would simply be the first page of your thing. Okay, then all you're going to have to do is go right up here and say insert a duplicate slide, and I suggest hitting duplicate slide. And you're going to get exactly the same slide you created. You're simply going to go in here. You're going to remove that picture. You're going to remove your name. You can actually get rid of this if you want to. Now you're ready to start putting your pictures together. So, for example, if I wanted to say DNA, DNA is going to be my first topic that I want here. I'm simply going to go back into Google Chrome. I'm going to type DNA or DNA structure, does not matter. And I'm going to get some different pictures here. Again, whatever picture you want to do, again, time, you're going to do a copy image. You go right back to your PowerPoint, paste. And again, remember you got to do 5 pictures here, so you're going to want to make these a little bit smaller. Right there's my picture of DNA. Now I need to label that. How do I label it? I'm going to go right up here to where it says draw a text box. Okay, I click on that. I come down. I can make a little box. I simply type in there DNA. You want to center it. I can move this wherever I want it. So I'm going to move it right on top of my picture. Again, I can change the font to whatever I want. I can change the color to whatever I want. Make sure it is something that shows up. Okay, you can resize it, change the font size. So right there is my first topic. And I have a picture with a label. Okay, then I suggest putting a second picture. You can do a picture in each corner and 1 in the middle. That's 5. You can do 3 across the top and 2 bottom. You can stagger them that way, however you want to do it. When you're ready for your second slide, again, all you have to do is go up to Insert. Again, I suggest hitting another duplicate slide. You're on your third slide. You get rid of what you had there before. And now you're ready to make your second slide. So a very, very simple way of making a collage for me. Okay, if you have any questions or problems, feel free to message me through Canvas and I'll get back with you as quickly as possible.